Africa Content TV.
Coming soon, Fresh FM Ladies and gentlemen, the king of gospel, Dr. Larry Teriba is around. But now on stage, Baba Tumishe on the podium. Baba Tumishe, Baba